Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. It's Friday, yay. Hold on, it is actually Friday, but this is going out on a Monday. Oh, so I hope you had a great weekend. The rock cakes, rock buns, whatever you'd like to call them, that was brilliant. I really loved the comments because so many people reminisced about their nans, their grannies and their mums making rock buns. It was lovely. I really enjoyed reading the comments and just reminiscing with you all. I don't remember her ever making rock buns, but for me, my memory with my gran is mince and tatties, which she always made on a Friday with HP sauce. Oh, delicious. And it was very simple, but it just was, oh, it had mushy peas as well. Just delicious. But anyway, getting on from that, one of you, Francis Raffle, you mentioned look up tea loaf or tea bread. So I did, and I thought, but I fancy giving that a go. So thank you, Francis, for that suggestion. I loved that. So I've actually been brewing some dried fruit. The dried fruit I had left from the rock buns. So I probably got a little bit less than what the recipe that I found online suggested, but I wasn't going to go out for just one ingredient. That's not, I'll just make do with what I've got, but it's plenty. So come and have a look at the ingredients. So what we have here, this is the dried fruit that's been soaking overnight in strong, in this case Earl Grey, because that's what I had in the cupboard. I know a lot of you might say, oh, it should be just normal tea, but I actually love Earl Grey tea, so I would rather it taste of that. And it's all lovely. You can probably see how the fruit's all expanded. And there's orange zest in there as well. Self-raising flour, soft brown sugar and 2 eggs. So yeah, it's quite simple, as a lot of you will probably know. I'm just going to bung it all together in the liquid, and then put it in the loaf tins and bake in the Ninja. See you in a bit. So I'm just going to add the flour, add the sugar, we quickly whisk the eggs. And then add the tea and fruit. Oh, it smells really lovely with the orange zest and the tea. Cool, that's so easy. Love that. Put it in its containers now. Okay, that looks fantastic. Pleased with that. And it was just so easy. I've preheated the Ninja on air fry 200 for 4 minutes. I was wondering if you could help, because basically I've got baked, you know, where the sides you scrub and you do all you can. I tried dishwasher tablets to the baked on grease, I suppose you'd call it. Like, I mean, see, it's worse. This is worse because this is the drawer I do the meat in, the chicken and whatnot. So you see that. How do you get that off? Because obviously I can't use steel wool. I'm keeping these closed to keep the heat in. I can't use, well, I've tried everything. So if there's anything that you know really works, let me know, please. That would be amazing. Right, I've just got to just use a tea towel just to heat. Let's get these in. These are going to be just in time for the boys coming home from school, which is brilliant. So, match, bake at 100. Well, this is, I'm following. So basically, the recipe I got is from online, and it's an oven recipe. So I did a bit of research because obviously that's gas marks 4 and whatever, you know, oven related. So I did look up what other people had done with the same tea loaf, and someone had done 140 degrees. I'll put Fahrenheit here for 10 minutes and then lowered it to 130 for 30 minutes. So this is what we're going to do for these. So see you in 10 minutes. So I'm just going to catch it. Oh, what am I doing? There you go. And that. There we go. See you in a bit. So a few seconds and then we're going to see how it's gone. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh. Well, let's get that out. Oh, they look great. Ooh. So I've already done the cost breakdown, and they are 67p each, or £1.34 for the whole make, which is pretty good budget wise. Lovely, check them out. So I'm going to leave them to cool in the, thank you Ninja, I'm going to leave them to cool in the tins for 10 minutes and then I'm going to get them out on the wire rack, let them cool further and then be back for a taste test. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to take these out of the tin and let them cool for a little bit longer. I don't know, 20 minutes maybe, 30 minutes, and then come back for a taste test. Oh, what I was going to say, for things like this and this, I'll put a link in the description from where I got them from, because especially this is probably one of the most handiest tools I've actually ever bought for the air fryers in general. It doesn't have to be just Ninja, you know, Cosori and even the Ninja Foodi as well. I've used this to get stuff in and out. Very, very handy. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, let's cut a few slices. See what the inside is like. Oh, nice. I'm cutting it like this just so the camera can see, you know, the inside as I cut. Ooh, nice. Let's have a taste test. This is going to be Jimmy's. He's desperate to try it, but I just wanted to do a close-up of it unbuttered and on the outside. Tasty. Right, thumbnail business. A tea loaf. I mean, I'm really impressed, and especially how easy it is. Once you've soaked your fruit, you know, mixed it all together. It's so quick. Brilliant. Oh my God. That tastes absolutely delicious. I'm going to make this again. Oh, and you can really taste the tea. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, for actually for I mean, apart from the fact that you've got to soak the fruit overnight, that's no hardship, is it, if you're just a little bit organised? Oh, it's making my mouth water. That is really delicious. I'd give that 10 out of 10 for ease. Quick mix, bung it on in a loaf tin or two. Beautiful. That's really delicious. And that's, what was that? What did I say that was? 67p per loaf. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. I'm going to carry that. I'm going to get Jimmy's ready. But before I go, I wanted to say a big thanks to Marilyn Ray for becoming my latest patron. Thank you so much, Marilyn, for joining the budget family. I really appreciate you joining the Patreon thing. Yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have a good week ahead. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.